Hello everyone, welcome back to the second episode of knitting and mending the torn clothes that are still useful. So in this part I'm going to show you how we are mending it. So don't forget to subscribe, to share this video and to like it. Let's get to it. So after identifying your torn cloth, you turn it inside out like this. See, just turn the part inside out, this, and you also align it so that you get a perfect flow. So let's get to it. We are using the back stitch in and out double stitch method. So you take your stitch, your needle, and do it like this. See, please don't pull out all the yarn, just to a point where you've tied that knot. Just come a step back, not this part, but just a step back here. Make another incision here. As you can see, we have the back stitch and all that, because we are stitching through the back method. That way. See, also come back there. See, it's flowing, huh? Just at the back again. There you go. Please do this. There are also many methods, but I'm also using this back method. There you go. So you can see the other side. See, we've done it. Let's do it again. Just don't pull hard, it might snap. Let's do it again. In case of the yarn, we have different colors of the yarn. You might just choose what you like. Comes in different types, different sizes and colors and all that. There you go. Okay. We're moving. Hope you're also doing this. This is step by step. Hope you're with me. There you go. There are situations where we have these thread bumps. Like, not all situations these lines get aligned like this, like ours here. See? It's an easy step. You can do it at home and everywhere you are. Please keep the piece you're working on straight, that you get a perfect work.